So I apologize for all the stuff that's in the way, all my wheels and random stuff, weld or whatever, but thought I'd do another video over my taillights because the last one, I didn't really go into much detail. So these were my OEM 06, 07 coupe taillights, obviously coupe. And I sent them out to a guy in Japan who does some crazy custom work. And, well, we went full custom with it, guys. So basically what it is he took the guts out. The inside part is an actual template with the LED board behind it. So these perfectly, the Pikachu, the Pokeball, HP bar, only those light up. And the Pikachu is cool because it is yellow with the black and a little red for his cheeks. And then the Pokeball obviously is cool. HP bar, sequentials. The Pokeball will do a bunch of crazy light stuff. These are my turn signals because they are yellow, Pikachu, yellow. It has this black border going around the whole taillight, which I do like. And then obviously this inside, I don't know if you can see it, but it has kind of, here, let me get a light on it. Kind of has a carbon fiber look to it. There, you can kind of see it. Kind of has a carbon fiber look to it, which is pretty cool. You kind of see it in the reverse lights, which are stars. Yeah, it kind of has this cool texture to it, which I like a lot. There, you can see the taillights a little better now. Pretty cool though. In comparison, these are my JDM taillights with the orange or the yellow, full lens turn signal, but you can see the brightness difference. And even these are a little darker than the actual OEM USDM taillights. This red on the JDM is actually a little darker. And then these are a lot darker, which I really do like because it's still red, but it still has a little dark look to it. And of course, that kind of carbon fiber-ish look is pretty cool. I don't know if it is a real carbon fiber plate or not. That I don't know. I'm sure I could text him and find out. But it looks cool. Go to the driver's side one. You can see the reverse, or not the reverse. The trunk button is kind of outlined in it. I think it might just be a vinyl. I'm not sure. But it's cool. Pretty happy. If you guys want to see a video of the lights working, I already have videos, but they weren't that good because the camera has a hard time trying to pick it up. I could try and make a better one, but that's what they look like. Pretty awesome.
Didn't even get to bronze.